40 seconds of me with my mouth closed in awe. So this is what Otter Jason has been waiting his whole life to get to. 10 plus years. Oh boy. Ay caramba. Alright, well, time to get here and bask in the beauty of Panama and the waterfall. God, this is incredibly gorgeous. Yeah, in some ways it's just like Camelback Mountain in terms of, probably not that used, but, that's not wild. I mean, it's challenging, it's beautiful, it's exciting, but it's in the city. Yeah, but anyway, this is, I think this is wild enough for me. I'm not complaining, don't get me wrong. Beautiful. I left Monica back in the jungle. She's a big girl, I'm sure she'll be okay. Hey! Yep, saw him. Yep, there's going to be some shaking and YouTube asking me if I want to fix that. Hola, Jason. Hey, talk to us for a second here. I've got the video camera on. Make a little adjustment here.
Very fun.
All right, so tell me about the trip up.
Very hard hike.
How long did it take you?
This is 30 minutes for us.
Okay.
That's like an hour.
Oh, come on. We were taking pictures. We were talking.
Yep.
Uninterrupted. What, Owen?
Okay, there. Where's Mom Sandals?
Right back down here.
Look
So,
out.
he needs to wear them. Anyway, well, wait a second. Talk to me a little more about tell me about the waterfall. This is your second time here?
Yeah, second time here. I'm going over to there. Right over there where it's a smaller waterfall. I'm going to stay under the water and take a shower.
Bueno idea. All right, go ahead and go get Owen's.
I'm going, Owen.
So this is what you've waited your whole life to get to, huh?
Kind of.
All right. Okay.
Yeah, it's starting to get wet over here.
Okay. Well, I've got the dry bag. I just need to put things away, right?
Yep. Isn't it amazing?
Say again?
Isn't it amazing?
It absolutely is. Makes it all worth it, doesn't it?
Yeah. Did you like your hike? Did you have trouble with the landslide one?
No, I had a wonderful hike. I was talking with Mommy. We took some pictures. It doesn't get much better.
Very, very wet. Fresh, cold breeze. There you go. Just like that, I tell you.
You all right, Mamacita?
Would you like to say anything? Mama, would you like to ask me anything or say anything before I go in the waterfall?
I'll be right there with you. I'm going to put my stuff down and be joining you. All right, ciao for now.